Okay, take your chair.
Second time, sir.
You are coming second time. How best you can introduce yourself? Little different way. Let us listen to you.
I am Pradesh Kumar Digal. I belong to Raigada district. I completed my schooling from GCD High School Raigada. Then after my inter Raigada Junior College Raigada. Then after my graduation Raigada Autonomous College Raigada. Then I cleared joint admission in MSc JAM exam and I got selected in Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. There I completed my post graduation. Then I started my preparation for civil service examination thoroughly till now, sir.
What are your optionals?
My optionals are sociology and home science, sir.
Who is Visvesvaraya?
Visvesvaraya, full name of Visvesvaraya Mokshagadam Visvesvaraya. He regarded as the chief, one of the chief architecture of advanced modern India, and he also awarded for his outstanding contribution toward the architecture and engineering Bharat Ratna, which is the highest civilian award of Government of India. And his contributions are especially in the Krishnaraj Dam and the flood control and well planned Hyderabad city, and he is also a technical advisor for the Hirakud Dam.
The Raigada has one industry, unique industry. Which is that?
Sir, Raigada has three main major industry.
Three main industries.
Three, sir. One is the Aditya Birla Group's Utkal Aluminum Company. Second one is the JK Paper Limited, and third one is Vedanta Group of Company, which are near the border area of Raigada.
Okay, this JK Paper Company is preparing paper.
Yes, sir.
What are the raw materials for that industry?
Sir, especially the bamboos and eucalyptus trees, which are available nearby Raigada and adjacent district. But they are also imported from the Andhra Pradesh.
So that is the raw material?
Yes, sir.
Any other paper industry in Orissa?
Sir, one is in Jaipur. I don't know exactly what is the name, but it is in Jaipur.
Koraput Jaipur?
Yes, sir. Koraput.
There is one also in Brajrajnagar?
Yes.
That is not in Jaipur, that is Brajrajnagar.
Sorry, sir.
On the bank of the river? What is the river passing through Brajrajnagar? Very often the pollution of that industry is creating hurdles for the river itself. And very much in the news for that.
Oh, sir.
That is Eve River. That is a tributary to Mahanadi.
Yes, sir.
Joining on the Hirakud Dam itself.
Sir.
Okay. What are your subjects of home science?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell something about maternal mortality and neonatal mortality?
Sir, the neonatal mortality is when the newborn baby within 28 days, if death is occurred among 1,000 live births, then it is called neonatal mortality. The neonatal mortality in India, it is around 29, but in Odisha, especially Odisha, it's around 40. And for the maternal mortality, our Odisha is in high position, in higher ranking than the national average. That in national average is around 26, and for Odisha it is around 46.
Why this situation is in Odisha? It is very deplorable situation.
Sir, there is many aspects. One is our geographical barrier, especially the southernmost district of our Odisha is not connected to the main hospitals. The institutional delivery is very less in Odisha. In case of Odisha, another one is the low birth weight of the child and the poor management during the pregnancy. That is the nutritional deficiency in pregnant women. Second one is they were not aware that what are the diet especially maintained in the during pregnant period. And others are one of the reason economic poverty. They can't be assured with the minimum beneficial which are required during the pregnancy period. These are some major factors which are responsible for our high mortality and high infant mortality rate.
So that is the reason you mean to say.
Yes.
Okay. How can this problem be overtaken by in your area if it is supposed to be taken up?
Sir, recently
How you can visualize that this problem can be addressed?
Sir, if we easily available the recent government scheme, one of them is Magruho, which are planned to implement nearby the block level to by the Asha Didis, the pregnant women can easily go to the Magruho and give the delivery in institution, which will reduce the death of both mother and the child.
Who is to take care of in the Magro?
The Asha Didi, Asha ANM.
And they will be available in the Magro.
Yes, sir.
And she will be trained in delivery?
No, sir. At a time, deputational doctor also will be there.
Okay, Magro is a separate institution.
Yes, sir. Means not a hospital level institute, but at a time to manageable buildings, village level, block level buildings.
Any other program of the government?
One is there, sir, Mamata program, which I recently launched, that the maternal benefit up to 5,000 if the delivery case in the institutional. Another is one is Sampurna Yojana, which are giving the transportation charge of 1,000 if the mother, the pregnant woman will be delivered to the hospital. And sir, also the 108 ambulance is also available in our, which are highly helping the pregnant women and other cases to reach the hospital, nearby hospital.
Okay. Planning and watching cricket is your participating in debate and social activities?
Yes, sir.
What kind of social activities?
Sir, I am not engaged in a group of social activity, but we, some friend and one senior group is there in our local area, who are in free times will go to places and working in a plantation area. In especially rainy season, me along with my friends are helping to clear the drainage system and repairing the roads nearby our village with our local funds, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, Pradosh, please tell me where you know this concept of Magruha? Where you read or from which article or from which
It is in the published. I got that the travel report. Also, government of Odisha travel report indexing. Government of Odisha.
But whatever my knowledge is concerned, there is no concept from the Odisha government side like Magruha. There is Magruha, but that is for sheltering of the abandoned girls. Suppose the girls who are loved away from the families, or some distressed women, or from that is some general categories women, but not exclusively for the facilitating the delivery women. Because in every case, government is telling that for institutional delivery means in some hospitals. In
Yes,
hospitals,
yes.
who will take the ASHA and Anganwadi workers, special incentives are being provided to ASHA for each delivery in a hospital. If the delivery will not happen in the hospital, the ASHA will not get any incentive. If it will happen there, then the ASHA will get 300 rupees or 400 or some 600 rupees like that. Even the person concerned also who has the delivery at the hospital level, they will also get some incentive like 4 or 5,000, like 5,000 like that. So that is the mechanism from the government side, because whatever medical equipments are available are necessary, professional and trained doctors are needed, the total trained nurses are required. So ANM, GNM, ASHA, Anganwadi Didi, they are not professionally trained in this aspect. They are only to mobilizing and facilitating and taking some general care of the pregnant women. Okay, wherever you read, please recheck it.
Okay.
Please recheck. Huh? And
Magro is not the place for institutional delivery.
Sir, I think
because that may be tragedy happen for the Sisu, for the
That is not an institutional.
No, that is not an institution.
means when they will keep the pregnant woman for giving shelter, I think in the Mahaprabhu. Then after
any destitute woman has to be sheltered there.
Yes,
Shelter
temporary
home.
rehabilitation,
That is a
temporary.
shelter.
Suppose there is a divorce case. Divorce case, in that case what happens? The wife, parents are not ready to accept the daughter again to take back to their family. And from husband side also she is debarred, from parent side also she is debarred. What she will do? And there are the shelter houses, Magruhaj, where for temporary periods or up to her settlement financially or settlement or resettlement with the family, she can stay there. Government is financing for that, and some NGOs are taking care of this Magruhaj.
Thank you. I will go through the clear cut.
Please take it.
Okay.
Pradesh, Pradesh, no?
Yes, sir.
Now you are a student of sociology.
Yes, sir. My optional is
No, these tribal communities. Sometime in future, how do you visualize their progress? Will they remain in their own habitat, or will they come and join the mainstream and lose eventually in the long run, lose their original identity and join the mainstream in sociological terms? It's only a hypothetical question.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, there is a progress in their, particular in economic and social sector, but they are progressing along with taking their own culture and own beliefs. The progress is quite progress is seen in
No,
recent
I am
times.
asking a philosophical question.
Sir.
The philosophy and principles of sociology. At some infinite point of time, at a distant point of time, is it possible that they totally submerge, come to the mainstream?
No, sir, I think it is.
Is it desirable? What if it happens?
Sir, the progress is desirable, but along with the progress, their culture should be retained. Because these are their culture and their tradition are unique, and they are historically important. So progress in social life is important, along with culture. Cultural return is important in the future aspects.
Okay, it's only a hypothetical question. No, in the 75 years of independence, do you think the government has done enough to the tribal community in particular and to the poor people in general? And what are the areas in which you think there can be more improvement or better governance, service to the people?
So the first one is the education sector. The number of schemes by the government of India or also government of Odisha, like the one department is also running in the tribal area, also other area, the integrated tribal development agency, that will very much helping to development of tribal people. In particular, my Raigada district, there is two other organizations like Dongriya Kondo, especially focusing on the Dongriya Kondo development organization. And sir, the central government programs for the students like Kosturava Gandhi hostels, the scholarship for the tribal people like post-matric scholarship, pre-matric scholarship, then other programs like free hostel accommodation, and the program like Akanksha and Anvesha, which are giving the especially focus to tribal people, that the tribal student are by taking these benefits, they will can easily get the educational, basic educational and the higher educational, and they will come to the mainstream of the society. As per this one, the educational background, others are the socio-economical development, if I say, the program like Odisha particular tribal group livelihood and improvement program. Another one is,
Okay.
thank you.
Now this, the recent initiative of the government of Odisha, Swasthya card. Do you think it's a good scheme and an important scheme?
Yes, sir, it is very important. It is very important in the aspect of the Odisha people.
Do you think it is a viable scheme?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Pradosh, and you have done well, Pradesh.
Sir.
How do you feel your performance this time?
Yes, sir. Last time when I am there, according sir, there sir tell that go through the mortality rate. I go and focus on the mortality. I go through the whole mortality.
Because of the home science I told you.
Yes, sir. And for madam, I especially focus on the women sector and sociological aspect, and especially my district Rayagada, the tribal development. There is what are the organization. I download the tribal group reports and studied that.
Okay, very good. One more tips for this board.
Sir.
What is tribal supply?
Tribal supply.
Supply.
Tribal subplan.
Sub-plans.
Sub-plan.
There are two different programs.
Sir.
Tribal development program, TDP, and integrated tribal development.
Sir.
Under this there are tribal subplans.
Sir.
So you go and also read this.
Okay.
Because yours is an area where this tribal subplan is under implementation.
Okay, sir. I will go through.
When is your interview?
27, sir.
Today's 5 days later.
Yes, sir.
You will do very well,
Sir.
for this, and feel more confident.
Okay, sir.
Any questions from
Sir, any other question for my hobbies?
Mm.
Sir, actually I am
You are
giving-
mentioning cricket.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cricket.
One last question. As you have also sociology, as your one subject for those. So now in the changing scenario of the society, Indian culture, in India we have a very rigid caste system and a community also. How do you think the inter-caste marriages, the inter-community marriages that are now taking place, is it a good sign for the society, or it has some hindrances, or there is a mixture of both? What, as per your opinion, angle of view?
Ma'am, according to me, it is a very good initiative. It will very help to reduce the discrimination, caste discrimination, especially the encouragement through our government of its like Sumangal, in which if the other caste people marrying either belongs to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, they will benefit around 2.5 lakhs cash reward. This will enhance or encourage the other group people that marriage not only based on it should be in social rewards, that the discrimination among the caste can be reduced.
Okay, that is related to inter-caste marriage. You think it is a good sign, but what is related to the inter-community marriage also that are taking place? But whether these are becoming successful, or in which angle you are seeing?
Inter-community, I don't
idea.
ever about the inter-community marriage.
Okay.
I think
Very good, Pradesh. You would like to ask anything? No, chemistry we have not. Your chemistry is your
yes,
subject.
sir. Chemistry.
We have not asked anything, but there could be a member, and then there could be questions on 1 or 2 questions on chemistry also. That I think you should
Yes,
be
sir.
able to answer.
Sir, on the parts of hobbies, I don't ever thoroughly throw the cricket, but I usually play cricket. I don't have vast knowledge in cricket. Not expert, sir.
You must know what is gully. You must know what is Google.
Yes, sir.
Some of the
The
common
basics of the cricket.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
What is straight drive?
Yes, that's and they will ask when there will be cricket, where a particular ground the record is there, that no.
Even it has nothing to do with your hobby.
Yes, sir.
Hobby is it's not a profession, okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about it. You have a good personality, Pradesh,
Sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
You have a good personality, go well dressed,
Sir. Sir.
and sit comfortably,
Yes, sir.
and you will do very well.
Sir.
Don't
And try to speak slow also. Don't hurry.
Okay.
Even if by any chance 1 or 2 questions come, you are not able to answer factually, don't worry about it.
Okay,
Just
sir.
mind clear, pleasantly smile.
Okay, sir.
Okay? All the best, Pradesh. God bless
All
you.
the best.
Thank you.